Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from your Chase bank account to Cash App. First, open the Cash App and tap your profile icon at the top right corner. Go to Link Banks, then tap Link Debit Card. You can either enter your Chase debit card details or tap No Card to link your bank account instead. Cash App will connect you to Plaid, a secure service that links your bank. Tap Continue, then select Chase from the list or search for it. Log in using your Chase online banking credentials to complete the link. Once Chase is linked, return to the home screen and tap the bank icon at the bottom left. Tap Add Cash, choose or enter the amount you want to transfer, and then tap Add. If everything's linked correctly, the money will transfer directly from your Chase account into your Cash App balance. And that's it. You've just transferred money from Chase Bank to Cash App in a few quick steps. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.